Tired of spending hours on video editing? Learn these 3 easy in-camera transitions that will make your footage look professional right when you shoot it. In-camera transitions are techniques you execute while filming, allowing you to seamlessly connect 2 clips without complex editing software. The best part? These transitions happen while you shoot, meaning you just stitch 2 clips together and you're done. No need for tedious post-production work. You'll achieve smooth, high-impact transitions that look like they took hours to create, using only simple in-camera movements. First up is the whip pan, one of the fastest and most dynamic ways to transition between scenes. To execute this, end your first clip by quickly whipping the camera horizontally to the right. The speed creates a motion blur that is key to the transition. Then, start your next clip by whipping the camera from the left to the center of your new scene. When you stitch these 2 clips together, the blurred movement connects them seamlessly, making it look like one continuous, ultra-fast motion between locations or subjects. Next, we have the sky or ground drop. This is a classic travel vlog transition that tells your viewer you've moved to a new place. To end your first clip, quickly tilt your camera up to the sky until the screen is completely filled with the sky, creating a flash of bright blue or white. Start your second clip by tilting the camera down from the sky, revealing your new location or scene. This quick tilt movement acts as an effective mask, signaling to your audience that you are now in a completely different spot. Our final transition is the cover-up, the easiest way to achieve a clean blackout transition. Simply end your current shot by placing your hand, or any object, directly over the lens until the entire screen goes black. For the start of your next clip, begin with your hand or object covering the lens, then quickly pull it away to reveal the new scene. These in-camera methods are fantastic for adding visual variety and rhythm to your video content without relying on heavy editing. Remember the 3, the whip pan for speed, the sky drop for new locations, and the cover-up for a classic blackout effect. Grab your camera, try these transitions this weekend, and impress your viewers with professional-grade filmmaking techniques.